Hi everyone, this is Sally from Craft and Gal Sal Paper Crafts, and I just wanted to show you a real quick video of how I put these 3 envelopes together to make that cute little 3 envelope pocket letter. I used just some envelopes from one of these kits. It's an A2 size blank card kit, and I use those a lot. But anyway, I just take the envelopes. You're gonna lay them flat out like this. You're going to take the center one and just cut this flap off. I find this is much easier. I used to put glue on the back of this flap and insert it into the other side here, but this just is so much easier for me, so I just started doing it this way. And then you take your, if you have one of these handy glue runners, just take, okay, that one's not going to work. Sorry about that. Take your glue runner or run along the edges of the flap that you still have. And want to try to get as close to the edge as you can. And then you're just going to carefully lay this down and glue into place there. And as you can see, the other side is nice, glued tightly. And then I'm going to take this other one and I'm going to put glue here and do the same thing on the bottom of this envelope. So again, try to get the glue on there as straight as you can and close to the edges. If you have a little bit of gap, that's okay, because you can always insert a little bit of glue inside there to make sure that it's closed really well. And then you're just going to lay this one down in place where you want it to stick. Stuck really nicely like that. And then you can see I've got one envelope, or one pocket here, another pocket here, and a third pocket there. And then you're just going to decorate it. Use your pretty scrapbooking paper and decorate it however you want on the outside and the inside, and then fill the pockets with all kinds of fun goodies to give away to your friends and family. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you the next time. Thank you. Bye.